are going to be harvesting clove beans. Clove bean is one of the easiest plant that you can grow. It's a warm season vegetable. It is native to South Asia. Little is known about this plant, but it is really nutritious, and it is grown for its tender and edible pods. These are the seeds of clove bean. We are going to plant them in this container. We are filling the container with garden soil plus fertilizer. This will feed the plant for 9 months. I have 5 seeds here. I am going to plant them all in here, but I'll be keeping the good ones, maybe 3 of them once they sprout. The holes are about 2 inches deep. It has a white sap which is sticky. That's why I am wearing the gloves. Clove bean is a low maintenance plant. The clove beans offer many health benefits. They are high in fiber content, low in calories. They have antioxidant properties and strengthens our immune system. This clove bean is sharing the trellis with the Tindora.